Hello everyone, welcome to the Homeo Soul. In this video, we will discuss about the new notification released by the NTA regarding the application forms of a AIPGA 2021. So according to that, the online submission of the application form through the website is from 1st of August 2021 to the 21st August 2021 up to 5 p.m. The last date for the successful transaction of a fees is is to the 21st August 2021 up to 11:50 p.m. Corrections in a particulars of application form would be from 23 of August 2021 to the 25th of August 2021. Downloading of a admit card and the date of examination will be announced later. Duration for the examination would be 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Then timing for the examination for the shift 1 it is from 10 a.m. to the 12 noon, it is for the Ayurveda, and a shift 2 it is from 3 p.m. to the 5 p.m. It's for the homeopathy, Siddha and Unani. Language of the paper, for the Ayurveda it is English and a Hindi. Homeopathy English only. For the Siddha, English and a Tamil. Unani, English and the Urdu. In the they have also provided the information bulletin, the updated information bulletin. So they have given all the information in this regarding the application form, the filling of application form, regarding the eligibility criteria, the fee structure, the online exam, about the online examination, about the exam centers and the payment mode. So according to that, the fee structure for the application form would be, for the general category, that is for the OBC it is 2700, and for the EWS category it is 2450. For the SC, ST and a PWD it is 1800, and for the third gender it is 1800. So for the open category and for the OBC it is 2700, for the EWS it is 2450, for the SC, ST, PWD it is 1800, and a third gender it is 1800 again. Then in this information bulletin they have also provided the steps which you have to follow during filling your online application form. So according to that, step 1 is apply for the online registration using your own email ID and a mobile number. So you must have your own email ID and a mobile number. Then step 2, fill in the online application form and note down the system generated application number. Step 3, upload the photographs. They have given the criteria for the photographs. So it should be in the file size 10 KB to the 200 KB, either in a color or in a black and white, with the 80% of a face without mask visible, including the ear, against the white background. And candidate signature so it should be in the file size 4 KB to the 30 KB. And for the PWD candidate, the PWD certificate, which should be in a file size 50 KB to the 300 KB in a JPG or a JPEG format. Then so you must have your photographs, your signature. Then in a step 4, pay fees using the Canara Bank, using the ICICI Bank, the Paytm payment gateway, through the net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI or a wallet, and keep the proof of a fees paid. So all the four steps can be done together or at the separate timing. The submission of the application of a candidate could be considered as a successful, and his or her candidature would be confirmed only on the successful transaction or a receipt of the prescribed application fees from him or her. So this is all regarding the steps of the application form. So they have also provided the eligibility criteria for the AIPGA 2021. So according to that, the candidates in possessing the degrees like BAMS or a BUMS, BSMS or BHMS, or a graded BHMS degree or a provisional degrees, they must have their passing certificate recognized as per the provisions of the IMCC 1970, HCC 1973 Act, and possesses the permanent or a provisional registration certificate of a BAMS or a BUMS or a BSMS or a BHMS, or the graded BHMS degree qualification issued by the NCISM or a NCH or a state board or a university and a deemed university, and have completed 1 year of a internship, or likewise to complete the internship as per the NCISM or a NCH or a Ayush notification, they may apply for the AIPGA 2021 through the online application registration system. The request for appearing in AIPGA 2021 from the candidates should completing the internship after the notified date or having qualification that are not recognized by the competent authority shall be summarily rejected. Candidates are further advised not to canvass for the same. The dates indicating by the candidate in regard to the 12 month of a compulsory rotatory internship, that is starting date, a completing date, shall be treated as a final, and candidate will be required to submit the original compulsory rotating internship completion certificate at the time of a counseling. The cutoff date for the completion of an internship toward the determination of the eligibility for appearing the AIPGA 2021, it shall be 31st of October 2021. So you must have completed your internship before 31st of October 2021. Some of the universities or institution with the regulations that the candidates who are already pursuing any PG courses in their university or in another university are not eligible for the admission till they complete the courses. The candidates who are already pursuing the PG courses either through the All India quota or a state quota and are applying for the seat under the All India quota, state quota seats, may confirm the eligibility conditions of that university in this regard. NTA or MOA or AIIA shall not be responsible if such a candidate are refused admission. Such a candidate may opt for the subject and the college at their own risk and cost. The eligibility criteria will be as per the NCISM or NCH regulations and notification of a Ministry of Ayush, the Government of India. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. You must have fulfilled your eligibility criteria. Then they have also given the chart regarding the examination center. So they have provided the examination center for every state. So according to that, for the Maharashtra, they have provided the cities like Akola, Chandrapur, Kolhapur, Mumbai or a Navi Mumbai, Nagpur, Nashik, Pune. So they have also provided the city codes. You have to put it into your application form. Then this is all regarding the application form. The further information regarding how to fill the application form I will give in the next video, and I will providing the link for the application form in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching and listening the video carefully. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, also hit that bell icon to get any further notification. Thank you so much.